Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Artland. Now I've got some exciting news for everyone, and I want to let you know that I'm going to be bringing back the Design Your Own Titan Challenge. Now this is a fun challenge that I've done in the past where you, the viewers, have sent me in different drawings of different Titans that you've created. And if you've been the chosen one, then I have chosen some of your drawings and shown you how to draw them on Artland in my style. So I thought it'd be fun to bring this contest back. Now I've got a couple rules for this contest. First of all, you have to be a subscriber to Artland. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, then I won't choose your picture. Next, when you send me your picture, I want you to send it to me on Instagram. So go to Instagram, type in artlandhowtodraw, and you can go ahead and send your pictures and description of your Titan to me on there. Now, when you send me a picture of your Titan, I want you to make sure that you include a little bit of information about it. So some of the things I want to see are lots of colors on there. That way, if yours is chosen, then I know how to actually color your Titan when I do it in the video. Also, let me know some facts about your Titan. Maybe how big it is, let me know if it has any special powers or abilities, things like that. Now, I can't wait to see some of the fun and awesome drawings that you guys send in. I always enjoy seeing everything that you create, whether it's from my channel or you just come up with it on your own. Now, here's something extra that we're going to do this year. When you send it to me, if one of your drawings is chosen, then not only will I let you know that your drawing is chosen and will be featured in a video, but I'm also going to give you a signed copy of my drawing. So let's say one of your Titans is chosen, I'm going to draw it on the channel, and then I'm actually going to sign it and send it back to you so you actually have a copy of your own Titan drawn in my style. So if one of yours is chosen, I will definitely let you know on the channel. But that is our Design Your Own Titan Challenge. So make sure that if you want to participate in this, you're subscribed to Artland, you send me your picture on Instagram, and then also add some of the details, some colors, some abilities, and some other facts about your Titan. But that is our challenge, and I can't wait to see all the fun and exciting Titans that you guys are going to send in. So thanks for watching Artland, and I can't wait to see all your drawings.